welcome to Motorcycling with Carl. Woo! Today we're celebrating 200 subs. 222 to be exact today. Thank you very much. Thanks for subscribing to my channel, liking my videos. I appreciate it. I'd like to give a couple shout outs. Gary C. I'd like to say thank you very much, Gary. Gary comments on almost every video, watches every video. Doesn't have any content, but he's there. He's a good follower. Thank you, Gary. Also, I would like to thank Easy Rider. Go over, check out his channel. I'd like to thank Road Rash HD. He's got another good channel. Go check him out. Harley Street Bob. Tim Finning. Tim Finning's over in Australia. Has given me a couple of shout outs, and let me tell you, that's pretty awesome to get a shout out from Australia. So thank you very much, Tim Finning. And the last one is Scouse Adventures. Go over, check out his channel. He does live streams and everything, and when you sign on, he pays attention to all the comments and who's in there, and he'll give you a shout out, and gain some subscribers over there. So I have to say thank you very much, Scouse Adventures. Alright, so remember, I get to 250 subscribers, I'm buying myself a GoPro Hero 8 and a media mod. So it's a pretty exciting thing, because I'm getting close, 28 away. So if you like my videos, please hit the subscribe button, help me out, hit the like button. The other thing I want to talk about, parts. Has anybody, leave in the comments, has anybody else been having trouble getting parts? I ordered some stuff from Harley Davidson, and they only shipped half of it. I never got any tracking information. I called, tried to find out what's going on. Over a half hour the first day on the phone. They were supposed to email me after that. They didn't. Call back the next day, almost on hold for an hour before I talked to somebody. And finally, I think the rest of my order's coming in. I didn't even know, because the invoice that was in my box was somebody else's invoice. It was a guy from Arizona, and his part was a little expensive. I hope he got it. So this video tonight was supposed to be a how-to instructional video, and show you what I was doing. But that's going to be next week now. Also, I ordered a Hogworks headlight from Revzilla. Revzilla's usually pretty good, but they said that's not shipping out for 2 to 3 weeks. So they're behind, something's behind there. And also, I wanted to order the Memphis Shade sport screen for the bike, and they are totally sold out, back ordered everywhere. Revzilla says we will not be getting this product back in. So I don't know what's going on with Memphis Shades. If anybody has any information, please let me know, because I want to do the headlight and the Memphis Shade install at the same time. But as of now, it doesn't look like I'm getting a gradient black Memphis Shade. So let me know. Alright guys, I'm actually going to find a place to pull over. I'm going to finish my vlog in a parking lot, because I want to show you my t-shirt. It came in. I have my new t-shirt. So I want to show you guys that you can go on Teespring, get a t-shirt, support my channel. I'm also thinking about having a give away a t-shirt or two. I'm just trying to figure out a good way how to do it. I want this to be kind of random and fair, so I'm gonna work on that. If you have any suggestions on how you would like me to do it, leave it in the suggestion box. But I'm gonna pull over somewhere, and I am gonna let you see the t-shirt. So I'll see you in a bit. Alright guys, so I am pulled over here. I want to show you my new t-shirt, Ride On Motorcycling with Carl. Hopefully you could see it there. If you want to buy a t-shirt, I'll leave the link to the Teespring account down below. Go on, buy yourself a t-shirt, help support my channel. Any money I make off the t-shirts, I'm investing into parts for the bike to do install videos or camera equipment, anything to make this a better channel. So I appreciate it. Thank you if you support me and buy a t-shirt. And on that note, next week I'm hoping to have a how-to video, so look forward to that. Guys, if you like the channel, subscribe, help me get to 250 subscribers so I get my new camera. Yeah, so hit the like button, hit the bell notifications, and this is Carl. Oh, look at that. That's a nice hot rod. I don't know if it was a Nova or a Chevelle. All right, this is Carl saying laugh a lot, be nice, and ride on.